Ignasio Wyman Plumbing and Mechanical. We're here today. We're actually changing out these two 75-gallon water heaters. The room to the right is actually the original one with the house. This one is a new one that went out. Customer opted to do the upgrade for the Naviens, the 240s. So we're going to do two Navien in tandem with a recirc line. The benefits to it is you have unlimited hot water. You don't need these big tanks. So if something ruptures and continue to flood out your house, you can just shut off the water and it's not going to end up continuing to pump. So yeah, basically we're going to convert the water lines and the gas with the recirc line all to the Naviens and get it all hooked up, and the customer will be happy.
I looked at several different plumbing companies for replacement of our hot water heaters. So it's a big move for us, and we couldn't be more pleased with the service and with the people at Wyman.